on the impeachment complaint filed against President BBM, you don't have the numbers. So how do you think, what is the aim here?
No, actually yung impeachment is an accountability mechanism. Yung pagbilang ng ilan ba ang boto nito, hindi yan tungkulin o trabaho na ng citizen who filed the verified complaint. Ang reklamo lang ng impeachment complaint, may nawalang mga pera, sana naman ma-account ito o may kasalanan ka ba dito. And we hope that the members of the Justice Committee will decide on the merits. It's not true that impeachment is purely a political process. It is political merely because among the decision dyan ng mga elected people, not a court, but in terms of decision, it should be based on basic standards of justice and the merits of the case.
And it will be your complaint will have sufficiency in substance, you believe? You establish the evidence that will prove na merong betrayal of public trust?
Well, ang requirement lang sa substance, form okay na yan. Verified naman yung complaint, may endorse. Yung substance naman, ultimate facts lang eh. So para sa amin, yung ultimate facts, more than ultimate facts na ina-allege namin eh. In fact, may mga dokumento, may mga, di ba, may mga sworn statements sa mga hearings. I think we've heard even substance eh. So I really hope na pag matuloy ito and may substance at may form, and then there will be a process na of hearing doon sa Justice Committee where the respondent will be asked to anong comment mo, anong reply mo dito sa verification, and then we can present our evidence.